Here's how you clam and find unlimited prospects on Instagram. It's very similar to Facebook. Comment, like, add message. Stands for CLAM formula, CLAM. But on Instagram, you're going to comment, like it, follow them, and message them. Okay, same thing, just the terminology is a little different. So I'm going to share with you how you do it. So this is on my Instagram, my search. Just say some of the hashtags I follow. If I'm very into baseball, right? Choose an interest group that you like. So just say youth baseball drills. I'm always looking to help my son. And I see a drill here that's really good, right? This is really cool. Something I could use, help my son with, or like it, write a comment on it. I'll say, very good and great for footwork. Thanks for sharing, right? So I commented on it, I liked it, then I'm going to add them, I'm going to follow them, and then I'm going to send them a message. I'm going to say, thanks for posting your drills up. What are the ages of kids you coach? Would love to. Okay, actually, my son is 9U. What are the kids you coach? Right, there you go. I sent him a message. I'm gonna do one more. Let's say I do youth baseball training. Here we go, youth baseball training. And here is a drill here. So I look at this. I like it. It's actually very good for technique. That's something I definitely do. I'm going to comment on it. I'm going to like it. Comment. Great drill. Thanks for sharing. And I'm going to follow them. And I'm going to send them a message. I've found your drills very helpful. I share something about myself. My son plays 9U. How old are the kids you work with? And I like to always end with a question so they can reply back. So there you go. Very simple. That's how you can find unlimited prospects on Instagram. And which hashtags to follow? Follow the ones. I choose baseball because I love youth baseball. I can talk about it forever. So choose the interest groups that you like, and just like I shared with you right now, you can do the same thing and meet unlimited prospects.